students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 6, practice set 6.3. In this we have construction. Question number 1. Construct triangle ABC such that angle B is equal to 100 degree, BC is equal to 6.4 centimeter and angle C is equal to 50 degree, and construct its in circle. In circle means inside the triangle. Solution. Steps of construction. First, draw BC of 6.4 centimeter. Second step, angle B is equal to 100 degree and angle C is equal to 50 degree. Using the protector where the rays YB and XA meets, name the point as A. Triangle ABC is thus obtained. You will get a triangle, and after that construct the angle bisector of angle B and angle C and let them meet at point O. Through point O, draw a perpendicular to line. Let the perpendicular meet the line at point P. Write O as a center and OP is the radius. Draw a circle with inside the triangle ABC. This is the required in circle. This is the circle which is going to be inside the triangle. According to the stepwise you have to go. Over here is angle C, that is 50 degree, and first you have to draw AB. Then angle B is 100 degree. Then angle C is 50 degree. Then you have to make a perpendicular bisector over here, angle bisector, and over here also. Then we have to make a perpendicular bisector and then we have to connect it. Then you have to make a circle. Second question. Construct triangle PQR such that angle P is equal to 70 degree, angle R is equal to 50 degree, QR is equal to 7.3 centimeter, and construct its in circle. Circumcircle. Circumcircle means outside the triangle. Solution. By angle some properties of triangles we don't have the value of angle Q. So first we will find the value of angle Q by angle some properties of triangle. In triangle PQR, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. 70 plus angle Q plus 50 is equal to 180. So angle Q we got, that is 60 degree. So first we will step of construction. First we have to draw QR of 7.3 centimeter. Then with Q and center, draw an angle of 60 degree using the protector. Similarly, draw an angle of 50 degree with R as center. When the ray RY and XQ meets, name the point as P. Thus, triangle PQR is obtained. Draw the perpendicular bisector of line PR and QR. Let this perpendicular bisector meet a point O. With O as a center and OP as a radius, construct a circle touching all the vertices of triangle PQR. This circle is thus required as circumcircle. You can see first we have made a line of QR. Then second step we have made a construction of line 50 degree angle R and angle Q of 60 degree. So then we have made a perpendicular bisector. You can see this is a perpendicular bisector line of, we have name it as A, and over here we have name it as B. So the touching point is over here, the center point. From that we have made a circle like this, that is circumcircle. Question number 3. Construct triangle XYZ such that XY is equal to 6.7 cm, YZ is equal to 5.8 cm, XZ is equal to 6.9 cm, and construct its in circle. In circle means inside the circle. Solution. Steps. First we have to draw XY, that is 6.9 cm. With x as a center and 6.7 centimeter as radius, draw an arc above the line xy, also with z as a center and 5.8 centimeter as a radius. Draw an arc cutting the previous drawn arc at point y. Triangle xyz is thus obtained. Construct the angle bisector angle x and angle z and let the point meet at O. Through the point O, draw perpendicular to line xz. Let the perpendicular meet xz at point P. With O as a center and OP as a radius, draw a circle inside the triangle XYZ. So this is the required image we have to go. First we have to draw. First we will draw, that is 6.9 centimeter, then 5.8 centimeter from here an arc, then 6.7 centimeter from an arc, then perpendicular angle bisector from here, then we have to join this, then we have to make a circle from here. Question number 5 is homework for you all. In triangle LMN, angle LM is equal to 7.2, angle M is equal to 105, MN is equal to 6.4. Then draw triangle LMN and construct circumcircle. Solution steps: draw a line LM is equal to 7.2 with M as a center. Draw an angle of 105 using the protractor. With M as a center, 6.4 centimeter as radius, cut an arc ray MX and name it as N. Join LN. Triangle LMN is thus obtained. With center O and OM is the radius, construct a circle touching the vertices of triangle LMN. Draw the perpendicular bisector of line NM and line LN. Let the perpendicular bisector meet the point O. This is the required diagram. First we have to draw LM we have to draw. Then after that we have to draw an measurement of angle M to N. That is why we create an arc over here. Then we have to join. This will be a triangle. So from here we have to make a perpendicular bisector. This and this will be joining over here, and same over here also, and the center point is over here. So from here you will use an arc like this. This will be circumcircle. Question number 5 is homework for you all. End of the slide. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Thank you.